You'll grow more if you do this. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. You know, I learned a great lesson from studying a great book called The E-Myth. It's called The Entrepreneurial Myth, and that book taught me one really important thing, and I'm going to share that with you today because it's made the biggest difference in my life. And if you'll do this, you will definitely grow your life and your business if you have one, and you will feel better. So when it comes to your life, you obviously have a beginning and an end. And in the E-Myth, it talks about going right to the very end. It talks about going to your death. And so that's a bit morbid, but you know what? If you think about it, you'll think about things like, how do you want to be remembered? How do you want the most important people in your life to remember you and to leave a legacy? So what do you want to leave with them so that they think about you and that they remember you and that you are cherished? So that's one of the key things that if you haven't done that yet, it's really important that you do that, is go to the very end and think, how do I want to be remembered by my children, by my family, by my colleagues, by the most important people in my life? There's usually 3, 4, 5 different people or groups of people that you want to think about, or that you will think about, that will cause you to feel something and want to give them something so that they can remember you for that. You know, so for me, it has to do with my family. So I don't want to sacrifice my family for my business. So I carve out time for my family every single day. I carve out time to go in nature with them. I carve out time to play games with my children, whether it's outdoors playing sports or indoors playing cards or board games or something. And so I carve out that time so that I make sure that I create memories every day. Now you might be thinking to yourself, I don't have time for that. I'm busy. I have to take care of family, house, and all sorts of things if you're a parent. And you do. You can carve out the time, you block the time off, you make that a priority, and you do it. And don't let anything else get in the way. You know, sometimes people try to book a meeting with me at 12:30, and that doesn't work at all. I don't allow that because that is my time with my family. And so when you think about that, what's that going to cause? It's going to cause a lasting memory every single day that's going to go on as long as it can, as long as my children are with me, and that's going to leave a legacy. That's going to leave lasting memories. And so that's the most important thing that you can do, is to go to the end and essentially reverse engineer your life. Think about how you want to leave this world, who you want to leave with lasting memories, what you want to do to leave an impression. And you will feel better if you do this a little bit every day instead of once a week or once a month or once a year and go on vacation. These are the kinds of things that really matter. It's not about the money you make and the things you buy and the places you go. It's not that. It's about the lasting memories that you're creating. And people have forgotten that. And by the way, if you haven't done this yet, you can do this in Living Life Your Dreams. It's an ebook. You can go through this process. You can create the life of your dreams. You can reverse engineer your life with the steps that are in that book. Very simple to do. And then you can track your performance and see how you're doing, especially with your family, because those are the most important people. If you don't create those bonds now, early in life, or if you haven't created them, now you want to create them, because later in life it's too late, and you look back and reflect on your life and you won't have those lasting memories to feel good about. And so again, if you want to grow, this is the easiest way to grow. Present to the universe, to the world, to source that you want a certain lifestyle, you want a certain experience, and then focus on that every single day. So if you haven't grabbed Living Life Your Dreams, I'm going to put a link below. You can grab that. It's an ebook. You can just grab it, use it, create the life of your dreams. If you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, go over there and check it out. I have videos just like this, but better in some cases, and it'll help you live life your dreams. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.